So I'm going to explain you the expansion, that how to expand the brackets. Okay, so we are doing the what we are doing expanding the brackets. Alright, so whenever we expand the bracket, keep in mind that whatever the first term is written, it's 4x. So how you're going to multiply? First you will multiply this first term with both the terms of the second bracket, right? So first you will multiply 4x with the first term and then the same 4x with the second term, right? And remember what are the rules of multiplying, that first you have to multiply the signs and then you have to multiply the numbers. You have to keep in mind this sequence by multiplying, and then you have to multiply the variables, right?
Your
Keep in
voice
mind
is lagging.
you have to multiply the variables. Okay, so first you have to multiply the sign with 4 and with 3. There is no sign written, so when there is no sign written, it means that plus sign is there, right? So plus plus is plus. When you will multiply positive sign with positive sign, you will get positive sign. And 4 times 3 is 12. Then you will multiply the numbers which are 4 and 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Now you will multiply the variables. The variables are x and x. You know that when you multiply the same values, their powers are added, right? It will become x square. So 3 times 4 is 12 and x times x is x square. Now you will multiply this first 4x with the second term of the second bracket. So again you will multiply the signs first, positive and positive will become positive, right? And then you will multiply the values. 4 times 5 is 20, right? And then you will multiply the variables. There is no variable written with 5, there is just one variable with 4, it's x. So you will write down it as x. You are done with the first term. Now what you are going to do is that you will multiply the second term of the first bracket with both the terms of the second bracket. First with 13x and then you will multiply 1 with 5. So 1 times 13x is 13x and 1 times 5 is 5. You know, after multiplication, after expanding the brackets, we have expanded the brackets, right? Now you also need to simplify it. Simplify means that you will solve the like terms together. If there are like terms in this expression, then you will solve them together. As you can see that this is 20x and this is 20x. So these are like terms together, right? 12x square is a different term and 5 constant is a different term. But 20x and 13x are the like terms. So you will solve them together. So 12x square plus 33x plus 5. So this is how you have to expand the bracket and you have to simplify it.